Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Beingguruelectrical channel. This is Mujib Rada with you in the PLC programming course, session 4, PLC scan cycle. Today we'll discuss the PLC scan cycle. So let's start it. During each operating cycle of the PLC, what is the operating cycle of the PLC? Reading the input, executing the program based on the input, and giving the output. So this is the operating cycle. So during each operating cycle, the processor reads all the input, take these values and energize or de-energizes the output. So what a processor is doing is taking the input and energizes or de-energizes the output according to the user program. This process is known as scan. In the program scan, instructions are executed sequentially. There is a sequence. First, inputs are read, then the program is executed, which is a ladder logic, and then the output are changed according to the program and the inputs. Now we have scan process. What is the scan process? The scan time indicates how fast the controller can react to changes in the input. Scan time is very important factor while selecting the PLC because different PLC have different scan time. So if you are looking for a high speed operation plant or any machinery, so you need high speed or low scan time PLC. So scan time vary with computer model, program content, and length of the ladder logic. If a controller has to react to an input that changes states twice during the scan time, its PLC will never be able to detect this change. This is because if your PLC has scan time of 6 milliseconds and your process input change within a 3 millisecond, so the PLC is losing the data. The PLC cannot catch the fast speed of the process. So this is very important in the selection of PLC for the specific plant operations. Next we have scan process. In scan process, it is a continuous and sequential process. First, the processor reads the inputs. Inputs are coming from the digital switches or analog sensors or digital sensors, and then it's run the program. The program is a ladder logic, and then it adjusts the output according to the program and the inputs, and then it again check the input, then run the program, adjust output. So this is the continuous and sequential process. Next we have data flow overview. Let me open the pointer. Okay, this is our memory, input image table and output image table. So our input module is connected to this input image table. So what our input module is getting from the outside through switches and the sensor, it is coming and saving in this input image data table. So we have this ladder logic, and this ladder logic have some NONC contacts and some it has a program. So this program is getting the data from this input image table, and based on this input image, it execute the program and give the output. It takes some action. So this action is stored in the output image table, and to the output load or any other process, it can control from this output image data table. So this is the complete data flow, how the data is flowing inside the PLC, and how it's taking the data and how it's going out data to the load. Now scan process. We have CPU, and we have input module and output module. We have input module and we have output module. Input module is connected to a NC switch, and its input module is connected to the input file. This is the same input file we discussed, the data register or the input image table. And the program, we have the program in the program memory. So the user program is taking the data from the input file and execute the program and give the output to the output file, and this is reflected on the output module, and on the basis of this the output is turned on or off. So we have this address 1 colon 3 slash 6 in the input file, and it is this address is given to this switch. This 1 colon 3 slash 6 is representing the memory location in the input file, and this input location of the memory bit is connected to this program file no contact. So same here, output this output is connected to this output file. It's all the data on this is saving here. So the output, this output on and off depend on the data inside this address. So if this is closed, it will be here we have one, here we have also one, here also we have one, so this will be on, and so this one is coming here, saving here, and this output is taking data which is one is from here. So due to this status 1, this output is on. So this is scan process, how the PLC operates its scan. Then we have scan pattern. We have two types of scan pattern. One is horizontal and one is vertical. So in the horizontal, the process examine input and output instruction from the first command. So this is first command, this is second, third. This one, one thing more, this we have ladder, we call it rung. So this is rung 1, rung 2, rung 3. So in horizontal scanning, our program is scan in the like from left to right and top to bottom. So first this rung is executed, then this rung is executed, then third rung is executed, and then end of the program. So this is the horizontal scanning. Now vertical. In the vertical scan pattern, the program is executed in the column wise. First this column is executed, then this column is executed, and this column is executed. So on the basis of this, and it is done by page. So first page, this executed, then this execute, and then next page, then start again from here. So by this we come to an end of the video. So if you like the video, like it and share with your friend, and if you have any comment, let us know in the comment section. Thank you.